Hey everyone, welcome back to RoamTips.com. Today, we're going to walk through how to install and set up IPVanish VPN on your iPhone. First things first, open up your web browser and head over to the IPVanish website. I've included a link in the description below where you can snag an exclusive discount, so be sure to check that out. Once you're on the site, click on the Get Started button in the top right corner. Then, choose the plan that suits you best. You'll see the monthly plan is priced at $12.99, but the best value is the 24-month plan at just $2.19 a month. After you've chosen your plan, scroll down and select your preferred payment method. Once you've done that, hit the Subscribe Now button. After subscribing, you'll receive an email from IPVanish. Find this email and click on the Create Password link to activate your account. Create your password and sign in. You'll be taken to the back end of your account, which looks like this. Now, click on the Get Our App link at the top. In the drop-down menu, select iOS since we're on an iPhone. This will take you to the IPVanish iOS download page. Click Download on the App Store. This opens a preview of the IPVanish app in the App Store. Click the Get button to download the app. If you've downloaded it before, you might see a cloud button instead. Just click that. Once the app is downloaded, open it up. Since this is our first time setting it up, you'll be taken to a setup screen. Click Login, since we've already created our account. Now, log in to your IPVanish account using the credentials you just set up. You'll then be prompted to create a VPN configuration on your iPhone. Click Allow, and you'll be taken to your iPhone settings where you need to enter your iPhone password. Okay, now we can start using IPVanish. To connect to a VPN server, you can either tap the Connect button in the middle of the screen to connect to the optimal server, which is usually the closest and fastest. Alternatively, tap the Locations tab at the bottom. Here you can scroll through a list of available countries. Let's select the United States server. It will ask if you want to connect. Click Connect. It'll take a few seconds to connect to the US server. You can double-check by going back to the home screen. You should now be connected. Now that you're connected to a VPN server, you can exit the application and use your phone as usual. If you want to disconnect, simply tap Disconnect in the middle of the screen. After a few seconds, you'll be disconnected and back to your normal IP location. So don't forget to use the link in the description to get yourself an exclusive discount on IPVanish. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe.